Crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session, and today is August 11th, 2025. I'm currently long in Bitcoin here on the daily chart here. We'll go over this position here in a moment. First, I want to cover a position that I was able to take profit in over the weekend. So bring your attention over here to the 60-minute chart. I was able to make this trade here last week, and then was able to take profits up here this weekend. I missed a trade in this area, but we'll zoom in and go over a bit more detail on what happened in this trade that took place, or that transpired over the course of maybe a better part of a week here. So there's a sell-off that comes in here that we're actually trading back into now, but this displacement leg that's coming down, this is the consolidation area of it. But this main leg here and this main leg here, you can see some consolidation and some bottoming action here. Then prices redelivered to the buy side, and then this creates a range here. If we zoom in, these blue lines that you're seeing here, these are time divider lines. These lines signify midnight New York time, midnight New York or Eastern Standard Time every day. So this is how I delineate the days based on the price delivery algorithm, even though the crypto 24-hour day is on a different cycle. But with this, you can see I placed my Fibonacci here at the low of this body, of this candle here, and at the high of the body of this candle here, which gives me this dealing range. And then within this dealing range, there's this fair value gap that's below the equilibrium, and equilibrium being here at this 50% level. So then we can see here, this happened, what was this, on the 2nd of August, and then we can see here on the 5th of August, price action trades back into this fair value gap here. Actually, I had that highlighted before. Let's highlight that again now. There have been some updates and things on this platform, and since then, it's been a mess trying to keep data from one session to the next. But this being the fair value gap here, extended out, you can see price trading back into it. I took an entry, an ideal entry would have been here at the high end of the fair value gap, but I got in late here, down here at the rebalance of the fair value gap. So I was able to get a better price, but that was only because I didn't recognize the price action sooner. And then you can see price action was delivered to the buy side here. Some consolidation, and then further buy side delivery. There was a trade here I missed that would have gotten me into the position, or into a additional position here, which would have been during Frankfurt and London here, with the stop below here, and my target would have been up here, but I saw the trade opportunity coming, just hadn't adjusted my trade parameters to be able to take that at the time. But then price action continues here. You can see this large consolidation area here, right before price is able to reach into my profit target and rebalance this fair value gap that's located back here. And then we go to my ticket. You can see price action was delivered higher even after that into this area, but that's not my trade, but that is a part of this trade here on the daily chart. and then to have a look at my tickets. This is my ticket. This is the date here. So this is the date here where I was able to get the sell. So that was a buy, getting the sell. The lowest trade position possible is what I took on this. And I believe what was my risk on this. Let me double check. My risk on this trade was $2.32. No, that's bad. That's my daily trade risk. On this trade, my risk was $1.10 on this trade. So our risk was 110. Or that's not correct. Risk was 110 in cents, and profit here was $5.50 here. So this was the risk here, and here was the reward for this trade. So overall, I think this was a 5-to-1. Yeah, so this will be a 5-to-1 risk to or reward to risk or reward to risk ratio here. And then for my current trade here on the daily, this being my dealing range here on the daily. These dividing lines that you see here, these are monthly dividers. So this line here being August, this line back here being July. So this here being my dealing range, and then there's a large fair value gap here in this highlighted blue area. You can zoom in, you can see the fair value gap beginning here on the daily chart and going up to this level here. So this being a fair value gap area, and then you can see price action trade back into it here in the August session here. So I could have placed a stop loss. Ideally, I would have taken entry probably about here at equilibrium and placed a stop loss below the swing low here. But I was late to catch this trade as well. And then after this swing down here was put in, and then here's another swing, which would have been a Tuesday low. I took an entry here in this candle here for the breakout, and you can see price action is, or at least here there's a market structure shift. So now Bitcoin showing bullish here on the daily, and then there's been no pullback since that market structure shift, and you can see price action nearly taking out the highs here of this dealing range, but still there's another high here that's higher, and you can see Bitcoin pulling back here on the day after sweeping. So there would be buy side liquidity resting up here. So this buy side liquidity was swept out with this buy side delivery here, but position wise here, you can see my stop loss, as I mentioned, is just below this swing low here, and then for target, it's too far out on the charts, and also it would be a new all-time high, but you can see here on my ticket, my take profit is up here at 131,783.5 for this trade. But for today, I've not seen anything set up for me here in the morning session. I was not able to establish a bias here, or at least here in the morning session, was not able to, or in the AM session, not able to establish a bias. There's a long bias up here on the 15-minute here for the PM session. Here on the 60-minute here, there's been no bias today, but it seems like it's approaching the short, or it's approaching the level for long bias. And then on the daily, structurally, still showing bullish with this market structure shift here. So likely some consolidation here, or potentially seeing this candle, this daily candle here, closing above some of these levels. This is also possible here. So this could be an area where there could be some consolidation, or price could easily pull back to this small fair value gap here, to this larger fair value gap here, or price can continue to the buy side delivery. So in short, I have no idea what's going to happen, but these are the options based on where price action is currently resting, and the nearest swing low to price action is here. So quite a ways to go for a pullback. So a lot of room for any type of price action, which I believe is, or my probabilities would be as high as I would anticipate is a close above this candle here. But plenty of room and plenty of time for price action to determine what it wants to do here. But overall, showing buying over the course of the first part of the trading day, and now showing selling here, at least since the London session. But this is on Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the New York PM session.